Stop scrolling because this is not about normal liking. This is about when he is low-key addicted to you and trying to act normal about it. Not obvious obsession, not loud chasing, but those quiet habits that show you are always on his mind. The kind of things he does without realizing that make it very clear he is attached. If you have been confused about his behavior, this is where everything starts making sense. These are the signs that he is thinking about you more than he should and does not even know how to hide it properly. Stay till the end because this is the difference between interest and real attachment. 1. He keeps coming back to you. No matter how the conversation ends, he always finds a way to come back. It could be later that day or even after a gap, but he reappears. It is never forced, just small reasons to talk again. That pattern shows he is not done with you, even when the conversation is over. He does not say he misses talking to you, but his actions show it clearly. He keeps reopening the connection instead of letting it fade. That consistency is not random. It is intentional in a quiet way. You become his default person without it being said, and that is when you know it is deeper than just liking. 2. He notices every small change. He picks up on things you do not even think are noticeable. A small change in your mood, your tone, or even your energy does not go unnoticed. He might not say it directly, but he reacts to it. That level of awareness comes from paying attention constantly. He starts recognizing your patterns without telling you. He knows when something feels off even before you explain it. That means he is observing you more than he admits. It is not surface-level attention. It is deeper than that, and that is why it stays consistent. 3. He finds random reasons to talk. He does not always have a real reason, but he still texts or talks to you. It could be something small, random, or unnecessary. The point is not the topic, it is the connection. He just wants to keep talking to you. That habit shows he enjoys your presence more than the conversation itself. You become part of his daily routine without it being planned. Even small interactions feel important to him. That is why he keeps creating them. And that is what makes it different. 4. He remembers things you forgot you said. He brings up things you mentioned once and completely forgot about. It could be something random or unimportant, but he remembers it. That shows he listens more than he lets on. Those details stay with him without effort. He does not do it to impress you. It just happens naturally. That kind of memory comes from real interest. It means you stayed in his mind after the conversation ended. And that is why those details come back later. It is not normal, it is attachment. 5. He reacts to you differently than others. His behavior around you is not the same as with everyone else. It could be more attention, more patience, or a different tone. The change is subtle but noticeable. He might not realize it, but it is there. That difference shows you matter more than others. He gives you a version of himself that is not common. That is not something he does for everyone, and that is what makes it stand out. It is quiet, but very clear. 6. He gets affected by your energy. Your mood affects him more than it should. If you are distant, he notices immediately. If you are happy, his energy shifts too. That connection is not something he can control easily. He might not admit it, but your presence impacts him. He reacts to your energy without thinking. That means he is emotionally invested. And that is where attachment starts to show. It becomes automatic for him. 7. He does not fully let go of conversations. Even when a conversation ends, he leaves something open. A small detail, a question, or something unfinished. It gives him a reason to come back later. That pattern is not accidental. He keeps the connection slightly open on purpose. That way, it never fully ends. It keeps you in his thoughts even after you stop talking. And that is how he stays connected without saying it directly. It is not the obvious things that show he is addicted to you. It is the small, repeated habits that he does without even realizing. The quiet consistency, the attention, and the way he keeps coming back all say the same thing. So if you see these signs, understand this clearly. He is not just interested, he is attached in a way he cannot hide. If you liked this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which sign you noticed first.